Okay, at this point you can see I have the upper radiator hose removed, just using a pair of channel locks to get the clamp off. And I have the lower radiator hose removed now because I have that bottom guard removed, which was the 6 bolts that we were talking about earlier. So, from here, basically what we're going to do is we're going to start working on some of these lower hoses down in this area here. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pop this off while I'm up here and put in a new thermostat. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen up these bolts here. I believe those are probably 12 millimeter, just like the lower ones are. And I'll pop that off and get that thermostat replaced. Good time to also replace your radiator hoses. So if your hoses are bad, or frayed or old, or if the vehicle has 70,000 miles or more on it, you might want to go ahead and just pick up a new set of hoses as well, just to make sure that everything is new and you don't have to go through any of this process again.